Welcome. If you want to connect with friends and find people you know on Instagram, allowing the app to access your contacts is the key. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable contacts access for Instagram on your phone. This process is quick, easy, and ensures Instagram can suggest people you already know. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon and can be found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management. The exact wording may vary depending on your phone, but you're looking for the place where all your installed apps are listed. Next, from the list of apps, scroll through or use the search bar to find Instagram. Tap on the Instagram app to open its specific settings. Inside the Instagram settings, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you control what parts of your phone Instagram can access, such as your camera, microphone, and of course, your contacts. Now, tap on Contacts. You'll see options to allow or deny access. Select Allow to grant Instagram permission to access your contacts list. That's it. You've now enabled contacts access for Instagram. With this setting turned on, Instagram can periodically sync your contacts and suggest people you might know, making it easier to find and follow friends or colleagues who are already using the app. If at any point you change your mind, you can return to these same settings and switch off contacts access just as easily. Remember, giving Instagram access to your contacts is optional, and you're always in control of your privacy. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. See you next time.